Welcome all. Today we will see the Chrome tab extension that is added in the Google Meet. That's a new extension that is added, and that's the best for video and animation as that has been written in the Meet itself. So if I want to cast a video or if I want to cast an animation film, so at that time that particular feature is useful. So that feature was not available earlier and now it has been introduced. So I have created a demo meet here, and I have created that demo meet through the Google Calendar, and now I join the meeting and we will see what that Chrome tab feature is. But the thing is that if you want in detail how to use the Google Meet, then I have created a separate video for that, and the link is given in the description below, in the description of this video. So I will join the meeting first and let us see what that feature is. Now I have joined the meeting, and I am in the meeting now. And now here, if you look at here, the present now screen is there, and this new feature, which is a Chrome tab, which is best for video and animation, is added. Now you want to see that feature. So when I click in on this button, what will happen is that all the tabs will appear, and we can select which tab we want to share with the audience. So that is possible here. So when I select the Chrome tab feature, I will get such tabs, and any one of that I can select. So what I will do is that I will select the nature.mp4, and both the facilities are available. So that, see, this is a one video that I have created, and this is the animation that I have created for the demo. So you can share the audio or the video, or you can not share also. So I share it with the audio, so this facility is available. So if you do not share the audio, then only the video will be displayed. If you want to share the audio, then audio will be also displayed. And what I do is that I share the share button. So what's happening is that I have come across the video that we have here. And if you see, what it's saying is that if you look at here, this is a sharing this tab to meetgoogle.com. Okay, so when I am sharing this tab, what I can do is that I can work with the other tabs also. So working with the other tabs is possible at that particular point of time. So suppose that I have a Chrome tab. So sharing nature.mp4 to meetgoogle.com, share this tab instead. So this is another beautiful facility that we have here. So I can share this tab also, or otherwise when nature.mp4 is shared, what I can do is that I can work on this tab. If some document tab is there, the work I can carry out on this tab. So that's a good facility that we have. So the thing is, if I share the video, now what I will do is that I will play that video here, and the played video will directly appear in the participants window. So it will be a direct casting of the video that is possible. So the thing is that if I play this video, what will happen is that that video will directly appear in the participants window screen, and they will get the live casting of the video. So that is possible in this particular case. And similarly, what I can do is that I can play the animation also. So now if the case is that, now what I will say is that stop nature.4 and share this tab instead. So if I say so what it will do is that it will share the Chrome that animation for the particular case. Now see, now in this way what you can do is that you can share the video and animation in the with the help of this Chrome tab in the Google Meet, and they will appear in the participants window as they have been live telecasted. So that's a very beautiful feature. What I have done here is that I have brought that video and animation into the tab. I have dragged them from my computer to the tab and I'm playing them in the tab. So that you have to do. Similarly, you can play directly the videos from YouTube also, and they can be telecasted. So that is also possible. And now if I want to stop that presentation, I will say stop presenting, and the presentation of that tab will be stopped. So that is possible. So this is a very new good facility because it shares the video directly. So it is not like that the video will be heard go through the loudspeaker and then will come to the microphone and then it will be heard. So that issues are not there. So it's a very good facility that this uh, Google Meet has created. So this was all about this video what we have. And what you can do is that you can subscribe to my channel Tech to Home, and you can watch such videos which are forthcoming in the future. And thank you.